Are you tired of dealing with stubborn body hair and looking for a smooth, long-lasting solution? Waxing might be just what you need. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about waxing different body areas so you can achieve silky, flawless skin with confidence. So what exactly is waxing? Waxing is a hair removal method that pulls hair from the root, leaving your skin smooth for weeks. There are different types of wax, including hard wax, which is great for sensitive areas, and soft wax, which works well for larger areas like the legs. While waxing offers benefits like slower hair regrowth and finer hair over time, it can also come with some temporary discomfort. But don't worry, we've got you covered with tips to make the process easier. Preparation is key for a successful waxing session. Here's what you need to do. Exfoliate your skin a day before to remove dead skin cells. Ensure your hair is at least a quarter inch long for best results. Avoid moisturizers or lotions on the day of waxing to allow better grip. And most importantly, relax. While waxing can be a little uncomfortable, it gets easier over time. Now let's talk about waxing different body areas. Each area requires a slightly different approach. For the upper lip, eyebrows, and chin, hard wax is the best option as it is gentler on delicate skin. For legs and underarms, soft wax applied with strips provides the best coverage. The bikini area requires extra care. Opt for hard wax to reduce pain and irritation. For back and chest waxing, professional help is recommended for even results. After waxing, proper aftercare is essential to prevent irritation and maintain soft skin. Follow these steps. Avoid hot showers, sun exposure, and tight clothing for at least 24 hours. Apply soothing products like aloe vera or fragrance-free moisturizers. Exfoliate gently a few days later to prevent ingrown hairs. You asked and we've got answers. How often should you wax? Every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. Is waxing safe for all skin types? Yes. But those with sensitive skin should opt for hypoallergenic waxes. How to choose the right waxing salon? Look for licensed professionals, check hygiene standards, and read customer reviews. And there you have it. Your complete guide to waxing different body areas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty and self-care tips. Thanks for watching, and stay